Oil
text.
and, oil and
Huh?
oil and gas.
Oil and gas.
Yeah.
The free text. System ID.
System ID oil.
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 Capital oil.
Capital oil. Instant number 04. Next application server. 183.
183.82.
82.999.164. Yeah, next. Next. Finish. Login. User ID oil 10. Cap small oil 10.
Oil 10.
Password small letters. Autos ATOS 2024. Yeah. Once again enter. Oil 10. ATOS
Yes.
2024.
2024. Now it is loading. Okay. Now it has come. Okay. Yeah. Okay. See, we will cover the theory first, then we will go into the system. Is it okay?
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, sir. Okay.
This. So can you see this?
Yeah, sir.
It's not slideshow. Okay. See, these are all the topics we will be discussing. Okay, different master data object. We have already discussed few of the master data. Nomination, we were just trying on that day. That nomination, ticketing, stock projection worksheet, work list, planning, location planner. See, main thing is nomination and ticketing, stock projection. These three are important. Others, just to know the functionality, and this business scenario is very important. So based on business scenario only, we have to configure the system. Okay. These three, work list, planning, location planning, three-way plugging, just for the knowledge sake, we can learn. Okay. This main purpose, what is the background that I already told you, you can just go through that. When you finish, you let me know. So here the example is oil and gas scenario. In your case, this will be a mining, whatever the materials. It is similar to crude oil. Is okay?
Yeah, sir. Okay.
Same thing.
Yeah.
They have to plan, schedule, distribute the crude oil, refined product for its inbound movement. Sometimes purchasing, some kind of sales will be there. So there can be vessel movement, pipeline movements, even rail movement also will be there. This is for mass movement, mass transportation. This is one pictorial how this is happening, Volke. Okay. We will finalize one deal, trade with the either vendor or customer. So in case of supply means it is vendor. In case of demand means it will be customer. Supply means producer, supplier, exchange partner, terminals. Demand means the demand from customer, terminal, exchange partner. Okay, once this is finalized, then we have to move the product as per the agreement. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Then it will be going to the refineries and distributed to the market. This is the pictorial explanation. Is okay?
Yeah, sir. Okay.
See, trader push based on the market open, independent of supply chain dynamics at any given time. Market of result in deals which convert into scheduling. This is the same, the explanation for the previous that the graph. Okay. See, this is the TSW system. Okay. Is SPW is there, nomination is there, work list is there. Trader interface means the deal we are capturing now. That deal also directly connected to interface to SAP also, that is also possible. Then R3 interface, APO interface. And within the TSW, we'll have master data, location, transport system, partner role. These are all the main partner roles. And this carrier interface is the that transporter or the carrier. They can also communicate with the SAP. They can send the loaded quantity, confirm the schedule, all this communication. We can set up an interface with the carrier also. In the real-time scenario, this interface will be there. Trading interface for capturing the deal and communication with the carrier, that interface, SAP interface. This is the demand production APO. Okay.
Yeah.
See that I told you, inbound movements, purchase, outbound movement, and internal transfer also. Within the same company, we can move from one location to another location. That is called internal transfer. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
See, these are all additional functionalities integrated with the TSW. There is a model called TD, transportation and distribution. Actually, this is the original old model that was again some front end is developed, that is this TSW. Earlier, initially this TD was the model. Okay, in this TD there will be a TD shipments, load confirmation, delivery confirmation. Now also, while actualizing the ticket, the TD model will be activated and all the documents in the TD model will be created automatically. Even though we are not touching this, but in the background, only the TD model works. Okay. And there is one more, I told you that quantity conversion also interface with this TSW.
Yes.
I don't know about in your case, in your that what is that aluminum case, there is no quantity conversion. Only one quantity will be there, metric ton. But in oil, there will be different. It will be metric ton, it will be gallons, it will be barrels. So many units will be there. So conversion from one unit to another unit, there is a separate application model for converting. That also is integrated with TSW. Okay.
Yes.
Master data, we have, these are all the three master data: transport system, location, partner roles. Okay. What is this master data? With this master data, we can model a supply chain of an oil company, including pipeline system, marine routes, customers, vendors, plants. See, all this already we are having some of the master data in SAP. Customers are there, vendors are there, plants are there. For TSW purpose, we are again connecting, interlinking this master data. Okay. Transport system represent a stock holding object to which location can be assigned. Pipelines, marine transport. So, in a transport system, there will be many locations, and there are so many partners like vendors and customers, and they will be acting in different roles like receiver, supplier, and then inspector, like that. Locations are the nodes along a transport system. In this transport system, we can have more than 2 locations. Minimum 2 locations should be there. Partner roles, I told you, the roles can be assigned to the different objects. Okay, any doubt?
Yeah, okay, sir. No doubt up to
No
now.
doubts.
Okay. So this is the one pictorial representation of a TSW master data. See, this T1 is one transport system, you can see. And L1 is one location, and L2, L3, L6, all these are one locations in this transport system. Locations are assigned to the transport system. Okay. Then there are plants. Okay. This T3, this is one transport system, you can say. This is one transport system. Okay. Different transport system. This is in this location, we will have plants, storage locations. Okay. Here also some plants are there. See, in L5, this is also one location. Here there's some terminals are there. Plus, there are some carrier operators, that is the inspectors. Carrier operators means that ship owners. Okay, in between. So we have to link three things: transport system, location, and partner roles. Partner roles means this partner, they are acting as either receiver or supplier or inspector, like that. Am I clear?
Yeah, sir.
This is a definition. Transport system is a single in-transit stock holding object for inventory management. So we can track the inventory in the ship, whether it is already unloaded or loaded or is in transit, that we can. It links different locations supply chain. Transport system should always have 2 or more assigned locations. At least 2 locations should be there, then we can create one transport system. See, there may be some special type of transportation model, book transfer. This transfer does not require in-transit plant or in-transit storage location. There are no physical goods movement. I don't know in your scenario this type of things are available or not. See, what is happening is there will be a third party location, okay, where many companies store their product, okay. Maybe when one terminal, let us say one Mumbai terminal is there. It is owned by some agency, Indian Tanking Agency. Now it is there already. I am telling the real story. Indian Tanking Association, something. They are the owners of those tanks. And many companies, BPCL, HPCL, or IOCL, they can store their product there. Okay. In the same tank, let us say you are storing diesel. So some 5,000 KL of stock is there in that tank, let us see. Out of that, BPCL may be having 2,000, HPCL may be having 3,000, IOCL may be having 1,000, like that. So this is the split up of the ownership out of so much of quantity, total quantity split up between the different owners. Suppose you want to sell from the same tank, in tank. Same tank, HPCL can sell their product to BPCL. Okay, that type of movement is called in-tank book transfers. Okay, in-tank transfers. There is no in-transit plant because product is not moving from one place to one location to another. Within the same tank, it is changing the ownership. This type of scenario is there. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you forget about this one because this may not be applicable for your aluminum than this one. Okay. Location assigned to the transport system act as origin or destination or both. So I told you that the location should be assigned to the transport system. So it can be either a origin or a destination. That we have seen that two tick marks D and O is there. That we will see when go to the system. Partner role assignment. Partner roles for a shipper carrier can be assigned to transport system. The shipper means tank owner, tanker owner, and inspector also will be there. Shipper and carriers can be assigned to transport system. Partner roles. Materials defined for a transport system. In transit plant. I told him there will be in transit plant. Last time we discussed. For that in transit plant, material should be assigned. So you know now that material should be assigned to a plant, then only we can use it. That is a standard functionality. Extend the material to a plant. Here also you have to extend the material to the in transit plant, which is assigned to the transport system. Okay. Transport system material planning details, unit of measure. This is the for SPW. All these we have seen unit of measure, cycle duration, calendars we have to define. Assigns in transit plant to the nomination header. Okay, in transport system we have seen one in transit plant will be updated in the nomination. Propose as a shipper, carrier, business partner in nomination. So when you create a nomination, all the shipper, carrier, partner, everything will be automatically populated in the nomination based on the whatever transport system master data you have created. That master data will be flown to the nomination. It is also a master data only. So like say in sales order creation, the details of the customer masters are populated in sales order. while you enter the sold to party, all the details of the sold party is populated in sales order. Like that, here also, when you enter the transport system name in the nomination, the other details like shipper, carrier, business partner, everything will be populated automatically based on the master data. Okay. And defines a range of permissible origin destination locations. So whatever destination you are assigned to the transport system, that location only we can define in the nomination. You got it now?
Yes.
This is what we have seen in the system. Okay, this is the transportation system ID, this is the name and shipping type and MOT. This shipping time, whatever you have defined, that will be flown to the, when I copy it to the nomination. When you enter this transport system in the nomination, this shipping type, other details will be copied. This in-transit plant, you told, na? This is the in-transit plant we are assigning to this transport system. In-transit storage location. So both you can see. This is what we have seen last time. This is the screenshot of the transport system master data. In the detailed screen, we will get all these detail in transit plant that we have seen. Then all the shipper, carrier, whatever you define here, that will be copied to the nomination. And this cycle duration, these are all required for SPW. And these tolerances we have seen, you see, that much maximum quantity, under tolerance, over tolerance, percentage or quantity base that we can define. See, default partners are shipper and carrier here.
Yes, sir.
See, shipper and carrier, usually it will be same. See, sometimes shipper means who is the contractor for loading and unloading.
Yeah.
Okay. Carrier means the ship owner. TD shipment type. See, that's what I just told you. Transportation and distribution module is integrated with TSW. So in order to create a shipment, the shipment type also we can assign here. In case you want to create a shipment, so we have to mention the bulk shipment type here. So automatically in the background, shipment type of TSWP will be created. See, this is what we told OD, original location and destination. We are assigning the location. So this location name, it is assigned as both originating location, destination. See, what is the meaning is, if it is only destination means they can receive the product only. Okay, this LD012 can only receive the product, and LRG11 can only supply the project origin. First one, they can receive or supply both origin or destination. Is it clear?
That's clear.
Material assignment, that we just was talking about the material to the in-transit plant. We have to assign. This is the transport system. We are assigning this material to this transport system. If you don't assign it, it will not allow to create a nomination with this material. Only the material which are assigned only can be used in the nomination with this transport system. This is the one nomination screenshot. Okay, that's we have seen it in the system. This is the nomination key, nomination number. This is the free, whatever number you want to create, you can create. Vehicle number, carrier, shipper, this will be populated from that transport system. This is the transport system we are assigning. When you assign this transport system, system will automatically populate shipper, carrier if it is updated there, and it will check this material is assigned to this transport system or not. This will also check. Okay, and quantity also will be there, 10 gallon. So this will check that tolerance quantity, whether it is within that tolerance. That also will check. Is it okay?
Yes.
So this is about the transport system master data. The second master data is the location. So any questions on transport system?
No questions.
Okay. The location is the fixed point in supply chain. Okay. You give an example. Let us say one transport system we are defining. Let us say from Mumbai to let us say Dubai. There is one transport system. So two location, maybe Mumbai one location and the Abu Dhabi another location. Two locations at the end point. In between, we can have one more Karachi as the another location. Like that location we can define. It is a fixed point in a supply chain where goods are handled, loaded, discharged. Okay. So say this Mumbai, there may be a loading location or discharge location, and Dubai may be a loading location, and in the Karachi also there may be a receiving location, discharge location. And on this location, all these objects exist. Warehouses will be in this location, Mumbai location, let us say warehouse may be there, tanks may be there, plants may be there, all these things will be there. Business location master data represent physical location at which company has particular business interest. Okay. TSW location for integrated business location transaction. See, there is a concept in another application called what is that? SSR. What is the station retailing? बोलते हैं ना, service station retailing. There is one more application. There also we define locations. So same application is used here. That's what it is meaning. You forget about it. The service station retailing is for this retail outlets na, for that purpose they have developed. Same application is used here also. So location can be a terminal, tank farm, refinery, partner site, vendor. These are all the 4 types of locations. So these locations can be assigned to transport system as a origination, destination, refinery, or planning location. Refinery means production. So planning location means it is a group of locations. Okay, you can just while creating the nomination, so you are not sure which location. So then we will use this planning location for planning purpose. When the location, final location is known, then we will replace it with the actual location. So this is only for planning purpose when location is created. Location assignment is done as origin location, destination that I have shown. Location can be assigned to multiple transport system. Okay, this is another feature. The transport system, I have told say Mumbai to Dubai one transport system, let us say from Cochin to Dubai, another transport system, you can say. In that, it may touch again some that Karachi also, and Dubai is same location. Same location is assigned to 2 transport system. One is Mumbai to Dubai, another is Cochin to Dubai. Same Dubai location is assigned to multiple transport system. Partner role assignment. So these partners can be plant, storage location, customer, vendor, assigned as a partner roles. Okay. Material assignment we have seen. Unit of measure that also I have explained. So this is the screenshot of a location. This is the location ID. This is location description. These are all address. Okay. Location assigned to a transport system. Okay. This location is assigned to all these multiple, I told you, multiple transport system, it has been assigned. This location is assigned as origin, destination, both. Here also it is both. Usually we are assigning as both origin and destination. See, this is the tab. If you go to this location master, if you go to this transportation system tab, then you can see which are all the transport system is linked to this location. Now this partner roles. In the same location master, you click on this partner roles tab. Then there are role type is there. Role type may be receiver, supplier, then inspector, like that 4-5 role types are there. This is the standard. We are not defining. This is the standard. TSW003 is there, 5 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there. Like that 4-5 role types are there. Okay. This is the in-transit plant and storage location. Okay. Transport system. So role type is receiver. This is the receiver role assigned to this location. Okay.
Yes.
Partner role हो गया. Now materials in the same location master. Click on this materials tab. Then you can see which are all the materials assigned to this location. This material is assigned to this location. We can add many materials also, not that only one material. Whatever material you want to assign, you can assign. And all these are SPW purpose we can maintain. Maximum inventory, target inventory, safe level, reorder point. Partner role defines a business partner. It includes information about activity business partner can carry out. Receiver means they can receive. Supplier means they can only supply, load. So this is the one pictorial representation. Here one transport system is there. There one location is there. In this location, these are all the roles assigned. Vendor partner performs two functions with respect to both location and TS. This vendor performs two functions. Two functions what? Supplier and tanker. This vendor will, two roles will do, and here vendor performs one function with the respect to location as an inspector. This is the role assigned to this vendor and location transport system. Here one customer is there, customer partner performs one function, only one as the receiver, customer as a receiver. Okay. So we can assign all these customer, vendor, okay, plant. Customer, vendor we can assign to transport system. This vendor only performs one function, that is the carrier and shipper.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are two locations, one location here, another location. Two locations are assigned to the transport system. And for each location, there are different partner roles. It is assigned, receiver, inspector, like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the partner role you can see. Receiver, receiver in pipe, tanker, all these partner roles. It is all standard. We cannot define whatever is there in the, so we can define it here.
Assignment.
Yeah, this is the, for this location, plant storage location. This is the role, supplier role is assigned.
Yes.
What is transport system? Location, partner roles, material assignment to the location and transport system, how to create a location master. So these things you have just covered now. Is it okay? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No doubts.
Okay. So shall we stop here or continue tomorrow with the rest of the slides?
What?
Or you want to see the system now?
Yeah.
Nomination ticketing is the next topic.
Yes, sir.
We'll start this one tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Well, we can check in the system on that day we have seen na?
Yes.
Logistics, sales and distribution, bulk scheduling, and master data, transportation system. This way. Come here, search. These are all the system already created. I think someone has created it. Okay. This is the transport system. Then you go to the location. What are all the location assigned here? Locations assigned is originating and destination both. One location is assigned here. Then come to TS materials. One material is assigned here. Okay. If you double click on this, you will get the other details.
Real detail.
Okay. Detail location, TS materials. 3 tabs are there. TS details, TS materials. And locations. Is it okay?
Yes.
If you want to create, go here, transport system, let us say test 1. Shipment type, shipping type, that is a mandatory. So let us say we will take it as a C. Come here. So this is the test transport system. Okay.
Yeah.
Then go to the some. If you want to put default vehicle ID, you can put vehicle here. Otherwise, you have to put the in-transit storage, and this is the basic thing. So whether it will accept on that day, it was not accepting.
Yes, sir.
Brazil, let us say oil and gas. There is no storage location. See, there should be storage location defined for this in transit plan, then only it will come. Now nothing is there, it has accepted. Then you go to the locations. So you assign some locations. First of all, you have to create location, then only you can assign. See, these are all the locations we can assign. Let us say some Vizag terminal. Okay. We have to location as a originating and destination. Enter. Okay. Then go to TS materials. So we have to assign, means before assigning we should know the materials assigned to that plant. Correct, na?
Yes.
What is that plant we have assigned? A005. That is location. Go to the details. AM01.
AM0.
What is AM01? SC16N MARC AM01. For this plant, which are all the materials assigned? Oh, no material.
Yes.
Huh? So that is why we will not be able to assign any materials.
Yes.
Okay.
Try another one.
MARC. There are other materials, plants are there. Material. So we have to select the EP01 plant.
Yes.
Then change it to EP01. Any storage location is there? One storage location also is there. Okay. Now you come to materials. We can select which material. Let us say 3. Material number 3. Okay. So this is the material we are assigned. We can insert material, delete material, like that you can do. Okay. Location we have already selected, na? First, go back. Complete minimum details. Okay.
Double click then.
So you have to double click here. Some of the mandatory fields are there. Top projection, unit of measure. Say, let us say liters. Plan type. This is not planning. See, plan type means this is for auto creation of the nomination. Whenever the stock goes below the minimum level, then there will be some plan type. So that plan type, based on that, it will be creating the nomination or the requirement. Rolling period means for top projection, how many days plan we have to do. Okay, let us say 30 days plan. In past, how many days? Maybe say 7 days. Out of these 30 days, 7 days will be in the past. What is this entire valid? I think this is not there. NPL, no planning here.
No plan.
Okay. So this is the material assignment.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you go to the locations. You have already assigned. Can I save this? Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Can just save it. Please save. Now if you see display test 1. Okay, this is done. Locations. This one location is there. Come to TS materials. This material is assigned. Okay, this is one transport system. Like that, you can create locations. No location.
No location.
See, location ID, something test. This is display. Na? So first you will display any location. See, so many locations they are created. A1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. Like that you can create one. Say test 1. Okay.
Yes.
Location type. We have to see, I told you, na, terminal, refinery, this type of location type. So we will put it as a terminal, A1, 2, 3. Now you will put the location name, test terminal, test location, location city, say Bangalore. Pin code, na? Pin
Yes, sir.
code. Country, IN, time zone, India. Region, not required. Okay. Then coming to postal code must have,
Then 6 digits.
where is that postal code? This is,
Yeah, sir.
okay, this
Replace,
is the
replace.
postal code, right? Huh? Not that.
Yeah.
ಎಂತ ಮಾಡುದು ಬರ್ತೀರ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಪಾಯಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
Not. Must have 6, na? Where is 6? India.
Yes, sir. City. That one city.
6, na?
Sir. 560076. So first one is postal code, sir.
First one is postal code, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Second one is city.
Yeah. Now it has accepted. Okay.
Yes.
Now you go to the transport system. Nothing is assigned to this. This is a new location. First you have to create it and save it. Then you are assign the transport system.
Yes.
Save, yes. Yes, na. Saved, na. Okay.
Yes.
Now change. Change. Come here.
Next transport system.
Transport system. You have to add. Okay, we have to add from there, not from here. From the transport system, you have to add. Materials, we can add it here.
3.
Which material will add?
3. 3.
3, na?
Yes, sir. 3. 3.
What happened? No partner role, apply receiver found for the test. Oh, partner role we have to define.
Create.
Huh? Create.
Last one, sir. Last one.
Oh. Plant. What is that plant you have used?
EP01.
AP01, na?
EP01. E.
Okay.
Used in the transport. Already used it.
System. So this location we have to assign it to some new thing now. We'll put TS04 plant. Okay. So we have to link this location to this plant. Okay.
Yes.
The role type. So this role type as supplier. And transport system you can assign it to what transport system you are test. Test one, na?
Yeah, sir. Test.
One. Both transport and location mandatory for
Location also test one, sir.
yeah. Okay. No excitement. Let us see save.